I just went swimming and I met a bunch of friends. Hey, what's up? Say hello, guys.
Hello, guys. This is good, guys.
Cool. Yeah.
Are you Boan? Are you Boan? I am Sri Lankan.
Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is one of the best countries I've been to. Super friendly people. Look.
Yeah. Okay.
Good boy?
Yeah.
Bad boy. Hey guys, you definitely have to come to Sri Lanka. These people are amazing. Good-hearted people, you know. A lot of fun, genuine, you know. We were talking shit in the water and they were saying that pretty much it's a poor country, a lot of people want to go, but they're happy here. There's corruption, but people are happy. He says in other countries there's money, but they're not happy. There's something to be said about that. Yeah, so we're here at the Ravana temple. You know, and Ravana was the antagonist of the Ramayana. Here in Sri Lanka, it seems like he's worshipped as a great king, but, you know, Rama had to kill him. And Ram, he actually felt bad after killing him because he was a great devotee of Lord Shiva. So he felt that he had to seek penance after killing him. It's a pretty interesting story though. You know, Ramayana is one of the great literary works of India. So, I mean, there's a lot of, you know, it's like kind of like a holy book, and it does bridge on history. So, I mean, you know, it's definitely worth the read. It's a great book, great story, one of the best of all time. Marble Beach? Oh, Marble Beach. Yeah, we're in Marble Beach, this resort. Pretty nice. Relaxed. Got a little island back there. You could do snorkeling out of here, but I don't think we're going to do any snorkeling. Marble Beach, sand is beautiful. What kind of whale have you seen every day?
Bright and pink. And we have also blue whales, but this moment we didn't see the blue whale. We want to see the blue whales, we had to go deeper sea. Whale
watching, yeah, it looks like a good deal. I mean, $110 to see it, 3 hours. I don't know, like 6-7 hours. This looks pretty cool. I'm looking for breakfast, but all these places were closed. They start at 9:30. This cute little spot, Yogi from Sadhguru's ashram. The conch shell. Komali, hello, thank you. Yeah, just got our little banana shake. We're in Trincomalee in the beach, pretty close, and then we're going to go to Sigiriya now. See the rock fort, place is beautiful, but we'll go there tomorrow morning during the sunrise. I think now we're going to go to the cave fort, which is pretty cool. Looks beautiful. See you there. We're on our way to Siguri, and there's a sugar factory. So we're in a very old sugar factory. Got some cows, old equipment. It looks kind of abandoned, but it's not. Well, a lot of wildlife, so probably see some animals. Hopefully no leopards or anything like that. I've never seen one of these. A big termite mound. When I was little, I would have loved to have been in one of these places to play hide and go seek, manhunt. This is like a little kid's dream. But I wonder why they let all the equipment go bad. Monkey action. Place looks like the location of a horror movie. Serial killers are lurking. So just got to this beautiful little hotel in Sigiriya, yeah. And look, it's all green around. It's a home, you know. But the lady was super nice. It's like a grandma. Nice. No USA? No Jamaica restaurant? I love it. This is beautiful. Check out these. You sit down. We're here eating. It's about 2:30, and we're going to go to Pidurangala Rock, which is the second main attraction in Sigiriya. It's a little too hot right now, so in a couple hours we're gonna go check out the rock and then take a look around, probably like an hour or two, relax, come back, see what they have in the hotel, relax, walk around, probably get a beer tonight, and then tomorrow morning we'll be going to see the main Sigiriya Fort on the big mountain, which is really nice. Look at a chicken salad sandwich, not bad. So I mean, this whole little strip, we're about like 5-10 minutes away from the Sigiriya Rock, but it's gorgeous. A lot of tourists. This is a tourist spot. Everybody's here, but the restaurants are awesome. Imagine like in an African safari. I mean, I guess that's what they like base it off of. Look at that restaurant. Looks awesome. It is hot out, so we're just gonna rest until 4 o'clock, and then we're gonna go check out the spot. I've never slept with a net, but could be pretty cool. Should be cool. It's nice and breezy at night, so I mean the window's open. I've never slept open air at night. Let's see how it goes. I'll let you know in the morning if it was good or bad. I usually get a room with AC, but I figured, pretty like we're in safari vibes, so I might as well go all in, right? Let's see. It feels nice. It's not like super hot, so should be all right. So this is it, Pidurangala Temple. Buddhist monks have been here for like 2,500 years, and it's 2.5 kilometers north of the rock fort. But yeah, it's a lot of steps. It's nice.